day event, today on a Friday. But also this year, the big change is that sports week. So from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, everything's been building towards Friday, 5 times as big as last year.
I like the fact that there is a variety of fields and sports that you can try out so that everyone has something that they like and they might enjoy. I really like being in the houses and split into 4 teams because it promotes collaboration because we have to work together for a lot of them. And we're also competitive but at the same time very friendly and still play fair games. And it's also a really good chance for people to come in as well as parents to come in and join in the fun and promote sportsmanship in ISPH.
Annual Sports Day, which has just finished today, several purposes. Firstly, to have fun in a sporting manner and friendly competition. It's for our students from 3 years old up to 16 years old, but not only them, for our staff and also for our parents. Many hundreds have come along today to take part. Since the school's been open, and our sister school as well, which is 12 years old, the school is founded on being a community school and parents and the local community being an essential part of that. We have to have parents and families and staff and students all on board. It's everyone's school, it's our school together, so events like this are really important.
Actually, we had the second time the sports day participate, but it was really good. The learning part and the jumping, right? What is your favorite game? Tell me.
Jump.
Jump. Yeah, he said jump. He really liked it, yeah.
I think it's a good thing to do sports day because then you can have much fun and everybody can do activities.
That's a great day for all the parents and the children, and even for the staff as well. I like the fun run the most, so we can run together, and my child love to pass me and win me in the fun run.